Hanifida. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, I testify that I believe in Allah, and I testify that Muhammad is His messenger. Honorable Farah, as an excellency for Dr. Haji Hanifida, Dr. Haji Hanifida is the director of Pesantren Larif Hanifida. Honorable for of my teacher, especially for Miss Rifki at the Ministry and my mapping Hanifida. Respectable for all of my friends, all of my family, and my parents. So let me introduce myself. You can call me Hanifida. I am from 10th grade in the class high school in Hanifida, and this time I want to present my main title is about the fluids. Fluid is the use to denote an enormous amount of water. So there's some the water can make your home be banjir ketutupan itu. And it's about math. And there's like a heavy rainfall. That system about like the sea and more is not being working. Like some stop working about for your life, and the risk of life and from overflowing enough drivers. Amar, bentar. Yeah. And there's my emails in snow gift too. Having them precipitation. And the crying tree, some human practice, human cut trees in a large number, like human cut the black forest, and the other is you can cut the trees to much numbers, it can make the flood. So I hope this is beneficial for you all. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.